We have finally landed in Istanbul, and let me show you the view from my room. It is not that crazy actually, but it looks good with the houses slash building. So this was not a planned trip. Actually, Rupak had a work trip to Istanbul and I tagged along. And we are not living in the city center. It's a bit far away because, yeah, as I said, Rupak has his work thing. So that's why the hotel we have is a bit far, but it's okay. Let me show you the room. It's a bit small, but it's like very modern and new and very digital. Let me show you quickly before we ruin it. So this is the entrance. Then there is a small wardrobe where Rupak has already set up everything. This is the mirror where you can check your outfit before going. And then some tea and coffee. And then another dressing area, TV of course, bed, and there's like all the digital buttons which I was talking about, and the bathroom where Rupak is setting up his stuff. Rupak, say hi.
Hi guys.
So yeah, as I said, it's not that big, but it's very clean and modern. So now we will go out just to have some dinner. We were thinking we will go to the old town and maybe eat something there, but we are so tired from the flight and everything, so we will maybe walk around and see what we can find here. And from tomorrow or day after, because tomorrow of course Rupak is working, it's a work trip, and I also have a full week of work. So on the weekdays there will be like little bit of Istanbul we will show you, and on the next weekend actually we will go out properly to explore. So come along for our small Istanbul trip. Hi everyone, so we are finally out of the hotel. It's literally Wednesday and we landed on Sunday, and I did nothing. I was just working from hotel. We had a really good dinner on Sunday and I just went today in a cafe to work, and now finally we got time to go out. So yeah, let's go and explore Istanbul finally. On a hunt to find a hammam. We went and talked to one of the hammam, but they had only the scrub and the foam thing, which is actually the main. But we are looking if we can get the massage also with all these three things. So we are going to a different one, which is a bit more expensive than the first one, but let's see our luck because we are anyways a bit late. We should have reserved earlier, but never mind. Let's see. As you can see, we just got done from the hammam. It literally feels like we have taken shower or taken bath for the first time. Like all my tanning is gone from Portugal and we feel so clean. And I'll talk to you when we go out of here now. Okay, bye. We just got some sharbat and a Turkish delight. Refreshing. Hi everyone, it is a Friday and now we are officially on vacation now for 1.5 days, and Rupak is apparently still working. I am off work now, so we have today and full day tomorrow, Saturday. So today we came out to the Asian side which actually looks like more beautiful than the other European side which we saw till now. We just sat down for a cold coffee because it's so hot outside. So we will have our coffee, some chocolate cheesecake which is also really good, and then we will start exploring the Asian side. So yeah, that is our plan for today. And I think last you saw us going to the hammam, and after that we did literally nothing. I was in the hotel working. So now we are finally out. We are finally walking on the Asian side, and let me show you this beautiful street. Look how colorful and pretty it is. I will put the name on the street because I cannot pronounce it. But the Asian side is better than the European side.
Tamam.
Tamam, tamam, tamam. So we are back on the boat slash ferry, and we are going from the Asian side to the European side now. And I think I really want to try one of their famous fish wrap. So maybe we will do that next. And we have two options to go to, like a really good rooftop bar with a really nice view, of course, and maybe we will go to a boat party. So we are still deciding if we go to the rooftop or the boat party. So stay tuned to see what we decide. This is my first glass of wine since being in Turkey. We came here on Sunday and today is Friday. So literally almost after 1 week, my first glass of wine, which is very unusual for us being on a trip. But yeah, as I said before, 1,000 times, it was kind of a work trip. So yeah. Rupak, any thoughts?
No.
As usual, no. And when I will close the camera, he will start yapping. So we have now come to a famous fish wrap. Place. I don't know. I think maybe I told you before. So we both ordered one fish wrap. Let's see how it tastes, and it looks good actually. And the place is also almost full, so that's always a good sign. And we decided we are going to the rooftop party, not to the boat party, because we were not in the mood for a boat party. And for the boat party, we would have and for the boat party, it's like we had to stay until like 12 in the night, and we were not ready for that. So we will go to. It's very loud. This.
Why do you have to do it on the same?
So we are going to the rooftop bar, and we will see a really good sunset, hopefully, and the view of the Bosphorus. So yeah, we'll have the fish wrap and then to the rooftop party.
No.
9 minutes आगे से left है. So we just had the fish wrap. It was good. And now we are walking to the rooftop bar in this tiny street. But it's like a really cute small street. We are going a bit uphill and 8 minutes more to go. Rupak, say hi. As usual, only a hi from Rupak. Hi everyone, it's our last day here. We are leaving tomorrow morning, and we are starting our day by going for some shopping. So we are not going to the We are not going to the Grand Bazaar because I heard that's like the touristic overpriced one. I found like on TikTok, which is like the actual very cheap bazaar. I cannot pronounce the name, I will put it on the screen. So yeah, let's go and see how the bazaar is, and I think I will find few good pieces. Let's go shopping. 5 minutes in and I already bought two things. Rupak, say hi. Your one and only dialogue. Okay. So we are in a new neighborhood now. As you saw, we did some damage in the bazaar. I will give you a haul when we go back to the room. And Rupak was the one who was like, "Oh, I will not find anything. I don't know what will happen." And he shopped more than me. But yeah, we will show you what we got later on. Now we are in a neighborhood called Balat. I think that's how you pronounce it, and it is also like a very cute colorful neighbors with like small cafes and everything. So we are just having some cold coffees here to cool down a bit because it was so hot and humid in the bazaar, but we really liked it. Like, it's, if you go there early it's even better, but a lot of good stuff. Thank you. Okay, so I got a Freddo espresso. I'm going to try it for the first time. Let's see how it tastes. It's like kind of iced Americano. I don't know what's the difference. I need to check. So now we will have our coffee and then walk around the neighborhood a bit, and then we will go to see like the Blue Mosque and all, because that's of course you have to see when you come to Istanbul. So yeah, that is our plan for today, our last day. Look at him checking out his stuff. His brown pants. Oh no, brown t-shirt.
पता है this is actually real Zara.
Apparently it's real Zara. We are now walking in the Blue Mosque area. We just saw the Blue Mosque from outside. We didn't go inside because we just want to like roam around and see all the mosque. We don't have that much time or energy to go inside, but it looks really pretty, obviously. Hagia Sophia is unfortunately covered for restoration, so we are just walking around in this beautiful park in front of it, and I think that will be the end of our Istanbul trip.
इस बार मेरे को क्रेडिट कार्ड से करना पड़ेगा
अच्छा, अरे
वो दो बार
So we are back in the hotel room, as you can see. We came back, I think, 1.5 hours ago, and we were so tired after walking around in the heat that we rested. We ordered some food because we have a early flight tomorrow, so we are just chilling tonight. I just wanted to quickly show what we got from the bazaar. I will show you now, and then because I'm packing it away. So the first thing is which I got is this Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. I don't know if it's like first copy or like not real, like I don't know if it's real first copy or dupe or whatever, but yeah, I got this thing. Then I got another dupe, this Loewe top, because I anyways wanted like a white basic top, like a cut sleeves. And yeah, Rupak also got a Tom Ford dupe slash whatever perfume. So yeah, I anyways wanted a basic cut sleeve white t-shirt, so I was like, okay, why not? Let's just buy this one. Then I bought these square shape earrings because I have like a lot of round ones. So yeah, I thought this would be something different for me. Then another dupe I got is this long charm bag, and it is like the crossbody one. And the color is also a bit different. Wait, I'll show. It's like a greenish grayish color. So yeah, I think this could work with a lot of outfits. And one last thing which I got are these cute little mugs which I saw in someone's video. And when I saw them there, I was like, I have to buy it. So these are the cute mug, or wait, I'll take it out. So yeah, this is the cute mug with the plate and the cute pink bows. I'll have my coffee in this for sure. So that is all what I got. And now I will show you what Rupak got. The perfume he already showed you. Then he got this shirt, just like plain summery white shirt with blue stripes. And then he got this Zara t-shirt, which is really nice. Like it actually looks good also, like quality wise. I'm scared because Rupak is staring at me. I'm going to destroy his clothes. And he got these blue, no, sorry.
Brown.
He got these brown pants which he was looking for everywhere. He actually bought another brown pant which was like more casual and summery and kind of linen type. But then he saw these one which he was looking for like originally. So he bought this one and then he exchanged the other one with the shirt with the shirt I showed you in the starting. So yeah, that's everything he got. He bought actually more clothes compared to me. So yeah, all in all, it was a really good trip to the bazaar. I would have for sure bought a lot more, but I stopped myself because we don't have like much space in our luggage. But next time when I come, I'm for sure bringing like a lot of space in my luggage or extra luggage, and I'll do a lot more shopping for sure. So I think I will end my vlog here because we are just packing now. We will have our dinner. Maybe I'll just show you what we got. We got some rice and chicken, Turkish rice and chicken thing. And tomorrow we have to go early morning. So yeah, that will be the end of this Turkey/Istanbul vlog.